How to see sent flow request on Instagram 2025. First of all, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account when you want to check. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal line in the top right corner. From the menu, select Setting and Privacy. Tap on Account Center. Select your information and permissions. Tap on Download your information. Click on Download or Transfer information. Where do you want to get information from? Select your account. Tap on Next. You can get all information for your select profile or choose specific information. Tap on Sum your information. Your file will include the information you choose from your selected profile. What information do you want this profile? Scroll down and find flows and flowing. Check in. Tap on Next. Choose to download a copy to your own device or transfer a copy to another service. Tap on Download to device. You can create file to download. Tap on Create File. Your file is downloaded within 4 days. You will be able to download this information. Here you can see this button will allow change your download and you can able to download that file. And after that you need to extract the file, and inside that you can find the pending flow request as your file, where you can find all the send flow request in Instagram. So guys, this is the way how you can just view the send flow request in Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.